For an average US doctor, a medical career typically involves multiple forms of debt that may last well into adulthood. According to the Education Data Initiative, an average medical school graduate owes a little over $250,000 in total student loans. The same publication shows dental school graduates owe over $293,000, almost 10 times the average total student loan debt at graduation. Financing such astronomical debt can impact the financial trajectory of these vital members of the US economy. Most banks, credit unions, and other traditional lenders focus on the inherent challenges of such large debt, also factoring in the financial past of the borrower, which is clearly not an accurate indicator of the future earning potential of physicians and dentists. In short, traditional lending paths overestimate the risk of lending to doctors and dentists, offering them unfair loan rates or insufficient credit. Doctors seeking fast access to loans for relocation, practice startup costs, and other life events are at the mercy of these lenders. But it shouldn't be that way. doc2doc addresses this issue by providing straightforward, efficient, and quick loans to physicians and dentists at an excellent rate. Founded in 2018 by physicians G. Kenton Allen and Zwade Marshall, doc2doc Lending is a peer-to-peer lending company headquartered in Atlanta, Georgia. The company provides reliable credit capital to physicians at a rate that accounts for the nuances of being a doctor or dentist. The platform leverages a proprietary algorithm to ensure doctors have easier access to personal and professional loans by looking beyond traditional lending barriers. Best for practicing doctors, practicing dentists, in-train physicians, health professionals. Pros: excellent or low interest rates, speedy loan delivery, efficient customer services, highly simplified account opening and loan processing, innovative underwriting processes, adaptable and trustworthy platform, 0 penalties for early repayment. Cons: relatively low maximum loan amount. doc2doc Lending product offering. doc2doc's core services involve helping physicians and dentists secure loans at incredible rates using soft credit pulls instead of hard credit inquiries that'll impact their credit score. These loan solutions are deployed in 3 primary offerings. In practice personal loans. This loan caters to professional expenses like building or expanding a medical or dental practice. With this loan package, borrowers can take out up to $100,000, repayable within 5 years at a fixed rate. The minimum repayment per month is $75. To qualify for the in-practice loan, borrowers must possess a valid O1 or H1B visa, be a citizen of the United States, or be a permanent resident. The loan is available only to in-practice physicians and dentists with MD, DADS, or DMD degrees. In-training personal loans. The in-training personal loan targets medical practitioners, doctors, and dentists in training. The loan covers personal and professional expenses incurred during training. With this package, borrowers can take out a minimum of $5,000 and a maximum of $25,000. The loan rate is fixed with a monthly repayment amount of $75, a repayment term of 5 years, and an origination fee of 2%, just like the in-practice personal loan. To qualify, you must possess a valid O1 or H1B visa, be a citizen of the United States, or be a permanent resident. The loan is available to in-training, resident or fellow, physicians and dentists with MD, DADS, or DMD degrees, 4th-year U.S. medical and dental students who have successfully matched into a residency program are also eligible for the loan. J1 visa personal loans. Medical practitioners who are not U.S. citizens are not excluded from doc2doc product offerings. The J1 visa personal loan caters to in-practice and in-training visiting or exchange learning practitioners with a valid J1 visitor visa. The loan is available only to in-practice and in-train physicians and dentists with MD, DADS, or DMD degrees. In-practice borrowers can access between $5,000 to $30,000. In comparison, in-training counterparts can access between $5,000 to $15,000. They must have at least 3 years left in training to qualify. Unlike the other loan types, the repayment term for this loan is 3 years. However, the minimum monthly payment and origination fees remain the same at $75 and 2% respectively. The 3 primary loan offerings are available in 48 U.S. states, plus Washington, D.C. and West Virginia are the 2 exceptions. Commercial loans. Besides the 3 primary loan offerings, doc2doc offers various commercial loans allowing borrowers to access between $250,000 and $25 million to finance commercial endeavors. However, these loans' eligibility criteria are stricter than the primary loan type. For instance, with the business line of credit loan, borrowers can access a max of $250,000 for a 6 or 12-month loan term. However, to qualify, you must have been in business for a year with a minimum annual sales of about $240,000. The startup and buy-in loans comprise SBA 7 and SBA 504 loans for fixed asset equipment. The SBA 7 is a 10-year term loan ranging from $250,000 to 5M, while the SBA 504 is a 20 to 25-year term and ranges between $250,000 to $15 million. Loan fees and other charges apply. There's also a commercial real estate loan, which includes the conventional type, fixed term of 30 years and maximum amount of $2 million, and SBA type with a variable term of 25 years and maximum amount of $5 million. These real estate loans require high minimum credit scores, and repayment penalties may apply. Most of these commercial loans are unavailable in some states, so you should inquire from the company through its highly efficient customer service channels. That'll also help you ask other relevant questions about these loans. Besides loans, doc2doc offers various insightful and educational resources tailored to borrowing, especially regarding physicians. These include blogs and videos contents, among others. doc2doc Lending Customer Service. doc2doc offers phone and email support. You can also make inquiries by filling out the online forms or contacting the company via social media platforms like Facebook, Twitter, LinkedIn, and Instagram. There were overwhelmingly positive reviews across platforms, especially on Trustpilot, where the company was rated 4.8 out of 5 on customer service, with close to 100 reviews. Customers commend the brand for its straightforward platform that facilitates speedy and easy loan processing. Words like awesome, efficient, incomparable, and excellent are used frequently to describe the company's customer service. These kinds of reviews indicate a high degree of customer satisfaction, which gives credence to the professionalism and effectiveness in overall service delivery. doc2doc Lending Fees. doc2doc provides personal loans to doctors at interest rates as low as 8.74% or 9.61% APR with auto-pay discounts. Specifically, in training and in-practice personal loans have APR rates ranging from 9.61% to 17.68%. J1 Visa personal loans range between 11.13% to 21.47% APR. The minimum loan amount on all 3 primary doc2doc loan offerings is $5,000, with a 2% origination fee. Various fees or charges may apply for commercial loans. The actual interest you pay may depend on evaluating your creditworthiness, income verification, loan size, and various other factors. The lowest rates may be reserved for the most creditworthy borrowers. doc2doc Lending User Experience. doc2doc makes for excellent and highly efficient ease of use. It takes about 5 to 10 minutes to set up an account. You can take a standard or hybrid loan, depending on your situation. The standard loan takes the principal plus interest approach, involving a fixed payment for each loan term. The implication is that each payment portion significantly reduces the outstanding principal balance. In contrast, the hybrid loan splits repayment into 2 parts. The first involves interest-only payment, and the second involves principal plus interest payment. These loans return maximum value for those on a tight budget, as they have a much lower monthly repayment during the interest-only portion. Unlike competitors, doc2doc considers more than a credit score to determine creditworthiness. It uses a unique lending algorithm to comprehensively estimate creditworthiness without financial history bias. doc2doc facilitates one-of-a-kind low-rate loan options for medical practitioners. Its robust service options and loan offerings provide comprehensive coverage for doctors and dentists looking to take out loans for professional and personal use. Despite lacking mobile applications, the company's web-based platform offers excellent usability. Reviews and ratings on Trustpilot show that the company has a competent and responsible customer service outlook.